Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have the update on the AI Hackathon that is conducted by the NASSCOM, which is AI Code Sarathi AI Hackathon. So the registration is live for this hackathon. So we'll discuss about the hackathon. So this is particularly conducted by the NASSCOM company. So it's a AI Code Sarathi, which is a 3-phase hands-on program which is designed for the developers. And this particular hackathon, it is running from the mid-March to the end of June 2026. So it combines both the AI-assisted development learning, so which includes the agentic AI hackathon, and it enables the developers to learn, build, and showcase their skills. So there will be hands-on labs, so webinars will be given, and which is totally free of cost. And the last day to register for this, so the registration is live and you can register for this, and the deadline for this is 24th March 2026. And once you register for this, you will be getting the email in which you need to register for the webinar once you register for this hackathon. So when you are registering for the webinar, so you need to choose the dates. So they have some dedicated dates, and the timing also, which is timing is in the morning 9:30 a.m. So you need to register the same, you can't change the date. You need to choose the dates whatever is available in that. So you need to register for the webinar. So first you need to attend the webinar, and once you register for this hackathon, so the registration confirmation, it will take for 48 hours of window. And for the registration confirmation, so it will, you'll be getting, if you register before 24th, you'll be getting the confirmation till 26th March 2026. And this complete hackathon, the webinars, and then so the complete hackathon on the agentic AI development, you will be getting self-paced learning, and also it is completely free of cost. And we'll discuss about the phases. So it has 3 phases. The phase 1, first thing is you will be exploring the you'll be exploring whatever learning is there, so their platform, so which will be an AI-Assisted Developer Workshop. So the workshop will be there, so in which you will explore completely about the generative AI as well as the agentic AI tools, technologies, everything. And the phase 2, it is mentioned for the engineering, hands-on. And phase 3, whatever you have learnt in the in the workshop, you will be exploring it, and you will be using it to build the real world projects. So this is completely it's a agentic AI and the generative AI. So whatever concepts or whatever learning whatever you have learnt, you will be applying it in order to build the real world scenarios and the projects, which will be kind of hackathon. So these are the complete 3 phases. So we'll discuss in detail about each of the phases. The phase 1, as mentioned, it's a exploring phase, in which it's a AI assisted developer workshop, in which it's a half-day hands-on workshop for the developers. You'll be involved in coding and learning the modern AI powered development practices. So this will be as part of phase 1. And coming to the phase 2, so engineering, as mentioned, it's a focused 26-hour learning journey, so which helps the developer to get expertise in the generative AI as well as agentic AI. So you will be exploring to various tools, and you will be getting access to their labs and all. So it's a 26-hour learning journey, so which is completely free of cost. And the third phase, so agentic AI hackathon. So it's a industry focused initiative where you'll be building the agent based on the so whatever you have learned till the in the workshop. So you'll be solving the real world problems, and the mentorship will be provided for the same. And so you need to build the agents, and there will be some next stage in which you are supposed to give the demo on those agents. So it's a multi-stage format which will end with the final jury evaluations. So you have at the end of the hackathon, so you'll be getting some prizes and all, and the cash prizes also. So it is both the learning as well as first thing is you'll be learning from scratch, and then later you'll be involved in building and all, and you need to participate in the hackathon. Then there will be few stages evaluations, everything will be there. So then we'll discuss why you need to participate for this. So the first thing is you'll be getting hands-on experience on the various AI tools and the technologies, and second thing you'll be gaining the advanced AI skills, so 26 hours of that. So totally there will be webinar also and workshop also. So overall they offer 30 hours of focused learning on the generative AI as well as agentic AI concepts, and which is completely free of cost. And the third one, it is designed for the working developers, so it is created for the developers to help to build them practical skills and advance their careers. And next thing is you'll be earning a completion certificate. So once you complete the half day, that is a workshop, and some task will be assigned to you. So once you complete those tasks and commit your code in the Git, and you'll be receiving the course completion certificate, only if you attend the workshop and complete those tasks. And other advantage is that you'll be building a strong portfolio. After the workshop you need to attend the hackathon, in which you'll be working on the real industry use cases, and you can showcase your solutions to the developer community. So these are the benefits of this hackathon. And then coming to the steps to the participation. So first you are supposed to register yourself, so the official link it will be provided, so you can register for that. So you just need to fill your personal details, then the experience details, and you can register for this. So once you register, you will be getting the mail you have registered, and the next step is you are supposed to join the webinar. So you need to choose one date and you need to register for the webinar. So this is all included in the first step, that is register yourself. So then after that, next thing is the confirmation wait time. So webinar anyone can attend, so that they will be providing the in the webinar they will discuss about the workshop details and all the phases details, and the self-paced learning, the courses, and then about the hackathon details, everything. And step 2, it's a confirmation wait date, that is 48 hours. After registering, you will be receiving the registration acknowledgement. So which states you need to wait for, you'll be getting the confirmation within 48 hours. So this you'll be getting from the NASSCOM itself. The next thing is the program confirmation, and the next steps after the 48-hour window, once you get the confirmation for the registration, you can directly go to the NASSCOM AI-Assisted Development Marathon portal. So they have this portal which is AI-Assisted Development Marathon portal. So you can directly log into this page. So everything details will be shared to the mail post confirmation, so that you'll be getting the further information to join the workshops and the learning as well as the hackathon details. So it's a step-by-step process. You need to complete each step in order to reach till the hackathon. So these are the complete details about the hackathon, but anyways, if you attend the workshop, you'll be getting the certificate, and the other part is the hackathon. So it has two benefits. One is the workshop you can learn completely, and later you can apply that knowledge to the hackathon. So these are the complete details about the hackathon. So the link for this, it will be provided in the description. You can register for this. So as mentioned, last date is 24th of March. So make sure you register before that. So do watch the video completely, and if you have any doubts regarding this hackathon, you can comment in the description, and do like the video. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.